Align Vision Group is a high-tech trade in the construction industry. We are in many markets, including corporate AV, professional sports. We are in the performance space, doing sound, lighting, and video in theaters. We pretty much touch anything to do with audio, visual, or entertainment lighting. In every job, there is the need to be able to plug something in, whether it is someone's iPhone, whether it's someone's laptop, whether it's a microphone. Part of the requirements of having something to plug into is the actual panel and the connector itself. In most installations, there are lots and lots and lots of these panels.
Panels are something that are quite often overlooked. They're just sort of an accessory thing that people don't really pay attention to. In the corporate environment, quite often you'll go in and see a contractor who's pulled in a bunch of data lines and then gonna label them all with P-Touch labels or tape. We don't do that.
We took a completely different approach, which was to have customized panels specific for our clients, both in the needs, what it is that they want on those panels, how it looks.
We will engrave the panel so it's a professional looking finished product.
A lot of our competition relies on third-party manufacturers to create these panels. We do all of this manufacturing in-house to be able to deliver the product to the client so that way it's specific to their project.
So the custom panel process here at Align Vision Group, a little bit different than what you would see normally. We do everything in-house. We design it, we engrave it, then we deploy it.
Usually we start with connectivity needs. So we understand that we need to be able to plug devices in a specific location. And so we'll produce panels in our functional drawing as a schematic view with connectors and simple labeling. As the design progresses, we will come up with a visual design of the panel that reflects how it will appear when completed.
In the shop drawings will be all panel drawings. Every panel will have a designation so that when you're reviewing the package afterwards or service technicians reviewing it, they can see, from the plan where that plate should be. They can see from the functional the designation of that plate. And if they really want to look, they can go and look at the panel drawing and see what connectors are supposed to be on that plate.
Our panels are produced by a metalwork fabricator. After they are fabricated, they are anodized, and we have an engraving laser which can mark the front of those panels. Our panels can be labeled however we want. We have a standard set of tools to produce consistent looking panels across a project. The labeling all ends up the same size, the same font, the same spacing away from the connectors.
We developed that process and just embellished upon it for over years. We've developed stock panels that we can grab it from the shelf, throw it on the engraver, and have it loaded and out the door in a couple of hours.
We take the client requirements and build those into a custom panel. You name the size, we can facilitate a panel for that with any I/O to ensure that they have exactly the I/O or the ins and the outs that they require in their facility to be able to conduct their task on a day-to-day.
We take pride in delivering well-executed, well-designed, well-built solutions.
We have the years of experience behind us. We know exactly what it takes in order to deliver a job.